The game we're going to play is called Audience Sound Effects. Love the audience members will have their own microphones. And Brogan and I are about to perform a scene based on a suggestion from you guys, but unfortunately we're in a soundless vacuum. All we can do is make noises with our voice. Every time we walk on the ground, it will make no sound, and instead, if I make footsteps, you'll hear...
And if I run into the wall, you'll hear...
All right, can I get a suggestion of your greatest fear? Rick Perry. This is about Rick Perry in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Sympathetic with my voters.
Fair enough.
They seem sympathetic.
Are you sympathetic? It's okay, don't worry.
I'm wearing my bulletproof vest anyway. I always wear it ever since that incident with Michelle Hawker. She can swing a fist like that, but she can't.
She's a scary, scary woman.
She is. All right, now I need to talk to you about my campaign. Have you been making the phone calls and managing things for me?
They've been calling me. Hello, Prepare's assistant. Okay, you guys have a bad connection. Okay. All right, thank you. I think your pizzas are coming. Or you're gonna die.
Well, you might want to look into that one for me. How's it doing on the East Coast right now?
Let me pull down the map.
We gotta get that fixed.
Christmas party got a little out of hand.
Well, I know that. Me and Herman Kane, we know all about that.
East Coast seems very supportive.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're gonna need to up your ness.
Well,
Your you-ness.
should,
The thing that makes you you.
are we suggesting that I apply more product to my hair?
Yes, we
Where did
are.
I leave that now? Gotta get that cat fixed. Let me root around here a little bit. I think I found it. All right. Some oil. All right, let's...
Here.
That explains a lot, actually.
I got the ice version.
That sounds like a better idea.
First.
All right.
Okay, it burns, it's fine. Okay. Okay. Now, under the hairdryer. There you go. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV.
What did you turn on the O.U.Improv game? How's that going?
We got static. Okay. We're static. Did you pay the bill?
I'm pretty sure that was your job, but no, the governor is not supposed to handle finances or anything like that. I think this has done enough.
All right. Well.
You better pick it up.
Rick Perry's assistant, how may I help you?
That's was a better governor. We don't need to get into this. I'll talk to you later. Bye.